Some people too fast. Pick up me name faster than those on the
Souflo TV.
track. And you can do that. You wasn't there, but the first one to talk. What goes up comes some back. What goes around comes right back around. Put a pallet on your mouth.
Vlogger boy, especially the one named CV. You see, Uno, let me tell you something. One time, factory did I make gun, right? Them never stop at yours, brother. You hear that? So all the badness and bad talk where I talk on social media and all these things, me easy for reach. You see me? Me easy for reach.
Bling, flash, black as smoke, walk on, up like sky, up like heaven. Yo people, me there, you know. You understand me? Down at Jamaica right now. You don't know, me don't tell you about the charity thing for the youth, them and thing, and I deal with that today. You understand? ITV, link up and thing, you see me? Anyhow, more information on that coming, and you don't know clippings and stuff, you have a show now from what I want. Just wake up and thing. As a man say, just rise up out of bed. Get a message from my brother Whiz. And Whiz tell me, say, yo, you must be working on a Souflo reply. And, you know, stay level-headed and rated. I mean, I say, no, I want from what I want, once again. So I say what? I watch Souflo.
Blessed love to all my viewers and subscribers. Welcome to another edition of my program, Jamaican Tory, a Fewy Business. This is a program that I have created which focuses on all things Jamaican that we Jamaicans, whether living abroad or in Jamaica, should know. With that being said, let's move right into this story. This one is called When People Tell Us Something, No Go Back, Go Call Nobody Name. And if you're a Jamaican, and if you're a real Jamaican, you would know, or you should know, that carry name and call people name business, it don't work. I don't usually get into any kind of mix like this. And I don't business in a nobody business. But once it becomes Jamaica's business, that's when it becomes my business. Because remember, I'm me telling you say Jamaican Tory, a Fewy business. Let me rewind this video and holla uno up uno ears hole and listen to this good.
Get a message from my brother Whiz. And Whiz tell me, say, yo.
Did you hear when this brother started this video? He called somebody name. Make me tell you something. If Miss Matty tell you say Miss Jane say, you know go back go tell Miss Gloria say Miss Dassa did say. Because by time the message reach back to Miss Matty, something totally different Miss Matty I got hear say you did say. So when you hear something pan the grapevine, always remember say no go call back nobody name. For those of you who are on social media, and especially people who are in the vlogging community, or if you have a YouTube channel and you are Jamaican, you would know that it is the YouTube vloggers community passa and mix-up season. I have seen it. I am not here to call any names or point any fingers. But look here, for me eye they open like hawk. And my ears are also glued to the tube. I can hear everything that's been said. And I can see everything where gone. So, with that being said, you all know all the people them who vlog and their name been calling. You all know all who have been tearing up each other. And you all know all who have been getting into the mix. Well, I conclude that it is the season. And make me put this out there. Only nobody look over this side because over this corner, yaso, we quite alright because I over yaso nice. Them have one saying we say, the more you look, the less you see. Well, me a look, and when me look, me a see more. So all I know where I look and I see less is not the same for I, because me I look through my third eye. I hope you listened and you hear me good. That was another edition of Jamaican Tory, a Fewy business. And nobody go say when me never did say. With that being said, I would like you to go ahead now and leave your comments in the comment section. Let me know If you have ever been in any kind of scenario where anyone has carried your name and has actually said what you did not say, or has said what you actually said, but you did not want it to be said. Let me also know if anyone has ever gotten you into a mix that you were never in. I hope you listened to me and you listened to me good. And that was another edition of Jamaican Tory, a Philly business. And remember now, said Jamaican Tory is my business. I leave you now with love, light, and upful energies. I'm out now. Real Empress Yudah.
The people business alone and mind your own.